Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Smart for Home. Today, we've got a helpful guide for all you smart home enthusiasts out there. We'll be walking you through the process of resetting your ecobee thermostat. Whether you've encountered an issue or just want to start fresh, resetting your ecobee can be a quick and easy solution. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Accessing the menu. The first step is to access the menu on your ecobee thermostat. Go ahead and tap on the screen or press the menu button. It's usually located on the bottom of the thermostat. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once you're in the menu, navigate to Settings. This is where you'll find the option to reset your thermostat. Use the touchscreen or the arrow buttons to scroll through the menu until you reach Settings. Step 3. Resetting Options. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for an option related to resetting. It might be labeled as Reset, Restore Defaults, or something similar. Select that option to proceed. Step 4. Confirm the reset. Once you've selected the reset option, your ecobee will likely ask you to confirm. This is a crucial step to avoid accidental resets. Confirm the action, and your thermostat will begin the reset process. Step 5. Wait for the reset. Now, give your ecobee a moment to complete the reset. It might take a minute or two, and you'll usually see a progress indicator on the screen. Just be patient, and let the thermostat do its thing. Step 6. Reconfigure your settings. Once the reset is complete, your ecobee will be back to its default settings. You'll need to reconfigure your preferences, including temperature settings, schedules, and any other customized options you had before. Conclusion. And there you have it. A quick and easy guide on how to reset your ecobee thermostat. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or starting fresh, this process can come in handy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more smart home tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.